This is how to replace a cabin filter in a Nissan Juke. This particular model is a 2017. You're going to find it on the passenger floor underneath the glove box. You see that white cover back there? That's going to be where the cabin filter is. So we reach back up in here, pull this lid off, reach up in, sometimes they're a pain, and take the cabin filter out. We take our new one, this tab on the outside, kind of accordion it in the middle, squeeze it, and then you see the hole back there, just try to get it in, push, and then feed it in from the back side. And the most important thing is just to make sure it's nice and even. So it helps to do this a couple times. Make sure it's in there nice and even. So it goes on like that. Try to get the top first. You'll kind of feel it snap around. And then once you hear that pop, it's good. Give a little pull to make sure. And it's back on, back in there.